In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your smartphone as a webcam for Zoom calls. If your built-in laptop camera looks grainy or you simply want a sharper picture, turning your phone into a webcam is a quick win. We'll use the Irian Webcam app, which is lightweight and straightforward. By the end, you'll have your phone feeding video directly into Zoom with just a few clicks. Start by opening your browser and heading to irian.com. On their site, you'll find two downloads you need: the Irian app for your phone and the Irian server for your computer. Make sure you pick the correct versions for your devices. Select your phone's operating system and your computer's operating system. You need both pieces for this to work, so don't skip either download. Once the files are downloaded, install the app on your phone and the server on your computer. Installation is quick. After that, open the Irian app on your phone. The first time you launch it, it may ask for camera and microphone permissions. Grant those so the app can access your camera feed. Keep your phone charged or plugged in, and set it on a stable surface at eye level for the best framing. Next, open the Irian app on your computer. For the connection to happen automatically, make sure your phone and your computer are on the same Wi-Fi or local network. If you have both devices on the same network, Irian will usually connect on its own within a few seconds. You'll know it's working when you see your phone's camera image appear in the Irian window on your computer. A strong, stable Wi-Fi signal helps reduce lag, and a 5 GHz network typically performs better than 2.4 GHz. With Irian running and connected, open Zoom. Go to Settings, then Video. In the Camera drop-down, select Irian Webcam. The preview window should now display your phone's live camera feed. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment, or make sure the Irian apps are still open on both devices and that they're on the same network. A few quick tips for a better look. Position the phone at eye level, use good front lighting, and avoid backlighting that puts you in silhouette. Most phones have excellent rear cameras, so you can switch to the back camera within the Irian phone app if you prefer a crisper image. For audio, you can continue using your computer's microphone or a headset. And there you go. That's all. You've just turned your smartphone into a high-quality webcam for Zoom using Irian.